To connect Trust Wallet to DEXTools, you'll need to start by installing the Trust Wallet extension on your Chrome browser and logging in. Once you've done this, go to DEXTools.io and click on Connect at the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to connect your wallet, which you can do by clicking on the blue Connect button. A list of possible wallets will appear, including Trust Wallet. If you have the Trust Wallet extension installed, you'll see that it's listed as installed, and you can simply click on it to proceed. A pop-up window will appear, and you'll need to click Connect to authorize the connection. After a few seconds, your wallet will be connected, and you'll need to verify it by clicking on Verify Wallet. This will open another pop-up window, where you'll need to click Confirm. Once you've done this, your wallet will be fully connected, and you can verify this by checking your Trust Wallet, which will initially say, not connected, but will update to connected after a few seconds.